This Re/Max Equity Group property video is presented by Tracy Norris. Wonderful move and ready detached home in Arbor Oaks on a corner lot. 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths west/open floor plan. Hardwood floors in entry, kitchen and dining. Inviting living room with cozy gas fireplace, lots of windows, slider off kitchen to patio and fully fenced backyard. High ceilings, large master suite west/big walk-in closet. All appliances included. Easy landscaping maintenance, Hoa maintains front yard. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Norris at 503-701-5972.